brand new video for you guys. Sorry I haven't been posting as much. It's such a beautiful day today, but we are about to head out to South Carolina to pick up my dad's car. So this is gonna be a pretty fun trip. We're just going there for the night, but after all, I think it's gonna be a really awesome trip. And check out the sunset though. Dang boy, look at that sunshine though.
Light up the stage and watch it jump like a candle.
Yum, some ice cream. Okay, so we are very close, 6 minutes away. As you can see, we had a Facebook stream going. Yes, this is my dad's new Scion TC he literally just bought. So yeah, except the whole other side is messed up. But he has another TC, but the engine's blown out. So, man. So he's gonna put the engine from the one TC to the other TC, from that one to his other one, I'm pretty sure. Maybe I might ask him if I can have his TC, that one that he just got, maybe buy an engine for it or something. So this is the inside of his TC. I've already been in one of these and I can already tell that the interior is like nicer, except for this whole side is all messed up right now. So thank you guys for watching this video. That's gonna be it. Maybe make a video on the way going back, and I'm definitely gonna make a video tomorrow and the next day because Alonzo will be in my videos. If you guys know who Alonzo is, we're gonna have a rematch, and I'm gonna give him that L. So stay tuned guys, and it should be up super nice. 1 or 2 days at the most after this video, so just stay tuned. Should be up the next day. I hope to get it off as soon as possible for you guys. And yeah, so make sure please give a big like on this video if you want to, and subscribe if you're new. And also, make sure to just have an awkward dad that just like sits there and listens to you. He just listens to you, like he's just over there being silent for some reason. Just keep talking.
Okay, we're just done. Okay.
No, it's Siri.
Yeah, it was.